Sophia. What are you doing? This is Sophia's first day in her exerciser. And she was squealing a minute ago. Try it, honey. Here. Looky. Well, that one's not working right now. How about this one? Can you turn the wheel? I don't think she's figured out that she can actually spin herself around here. Looky, girlfriend.